problem is that you are a constitutional body and you seem to be taking, different stances as and when you understand the law, how you choose to understand the law. There has to be some consistency, and if you're not agreeable with what happened in the last election, you would then write it somewhere, you would meet on it. To be pulling things out of a hat and saying, now this is our position, previously that was our position.
There is no detailed judgment or order there.
You can't say it's per incurium. You've not taken any action against that order. That order stands, that position stands. But did the ECP have a meeting and sit and look at the record and then come up with all these ideas?
It didn't. I have asked, so there is just on file, this decision has been taken without a hearing. There is no speaking order as such. That is the answer.
फिर आपने ये वाले cases इस case से distinguish करने के लिए क्यों नहीं कोई order pass किया या कहीं meeting की to show that you disagree with this?
Ladyship, इसमें तो फिर full hearing हुई और हमारा 22-12 का order आ गया.
The problem is that you are a constitutional body and you seem to be taking, different stances as and when you understand the law, how you choose to understand the law. There has to be some consistency, and if you're not agreeable with what happened in the last election, you would then write it somewhere, you would meet on it. You seem to be pulling things out of a hat and saying, now this is our position, previously that was our position.
So my ladyship, I would just submit that, as I have said, that decision is per incurium. It is not consistent with the formulation one that I've given. There is no detailed judgment or order there.
You can't say it's per incurium. You've not taken any action against that order. That order stands, that position stands.
Have you gone through that CMA? कौन से पीरियड के बारे में, कौन सी
2019 का है सर, जब कमीशन की कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डिफरेंट थी, and it relates to 2019.
कमीशन तो कमीशन होता है, लेकिन सर ये बता दें
सर I have made my submission on that.
सर साहब इसको आप लाइटली ले लें. एक दफा किसी ने कोई आर्ग्यू कर रहा था सुबह कोई केस, थोड़ी देर बाद दूसरा केस, कोर्ट ने ऑब्जर्व किया आप तो बड़ा अपने आर्गुमेंट मुख्तलिफ कर रहे हैं.
मैं सुन रहा हूँ.
तो उन्होंने कहा आई एम वाइजर नाउ, or you can also say I'm more freer now or less freer now than the then election commission or the present election commission.
So there was a lot more thought given to this and this decision than that one. That there is 3-4 pieces of paper and it seems to be done on the file.
आप ये बता दें कि क्या उस वक्त जो जिस पार्टी को मिले थे
50 minutes
जिस पार्टी को मिले थे सीट्स, उस पार्टी ने इलेक्शन नहीं करवाए थे? कौमी असेंबली में उनकी सीट्स थी,
कौमी असेंबली में भी थी, बलूचिस्तान प्रोविंशियल असेंबली में भी थी. They had participated in the general election.
कोई इस पे कैसी कोई ऐसी कदगन है कि अगर एक सूबे में उसकी सीट हो और कौमी असेंबली में हो तो दूसरे सूबे में नहीं ले सकते?
सर मैं उस CMA के ऊपर if I am allowed, these are my submissions under instructions.
आपसे इसीलिए कह रहा था कि वो CMA पढ़ के आप जवाब दीजिए ना कि वो फैक्चुअल है या नहीं है. What happened actually in that?
इनका तो सर लोकस भी नहीं है.
नहीं, अभी आप कह रहे हैं कि उन्होंने इलेक्शन लड़े थे BAP ने, तो आपके पास रिकॉर्ड में चेक करें ना उसको कि whether it is right position or wrong position. First check before responding that.
Just if I may ask a clarification on this point, surely a general, no, not from him, from you. Also from him, because he always gives very good assistance.
Of course.
Each general election is under the constitution and law a separate general election. So on the 8th of February, it was not one general election that took place. There were 5 distinct general elections that took place. Would that be correct? As a matter of the constitution and the law.
My understanding of that would be that general election, and I think there is a provision that they should ideally all happen, election to all assemblies.
Forget that. Not even if they happen on the same day, which your law allows. Yeah, under the constitution, each general election is a separate general election, constitutionally speaking.
To each assembly, yes.
Yeah, obviously, because it's a federation. Each federation, the federal unit comes together separately, each provincial comes together separately. In fact, I think it's there in your definition clause also.
Sir, I take no gavel with that. Why not? My Lord, may I now
Article 2 to 4.
I think you have concluded.
I have concluded, Ji, and I'm most grateful, my Lord. My Lord, just when I finish, may I thank the whole bench for the patience that it showed, and also again I say that this was an absolute privilege for me, and my exuberance or passion may be seen as that. And I'm most grateful for this.
As you leave the roster, I remind you about the summer school that you have to attend.
I am enrolling, my Lord, immediately during this summer vacation. And next time I appear before my Lord, I will read the Urdu myself.
Great. That's a good start.
Sikandar, as a
my Lord, the first case I ever argued as an advocate 25 years ago was a bail application, जिसमें मैंने उर्दू रोमन में पूरी FIR लिखी थी, and I read it.